7 tiny habits that can change your life in just 6 months if you stick with them. First, make your bed. Start your day with a win. It is small, but it sets tones for everything comes next. Second, drink water first thing in the morning. Your body is mostly water, so before the coffee, before the phone, rehydrate. It is your internal reset. 3. Step outside right after you wake up. Let the natural light hit your face. It wakes up your brain, boosts focus, and set your body clock right. 4. Review your goals daily. Remind yourself who you want to become. People who write down their goals are 3 times more likely to reach them. Why not be the one? 5. Read something wise before you scroll. A passage of philosophy, scripture, whatever grounds you. Start with meaning, not distraction. 6. Water a plant. It sounds simple, but when you care for something consistently, you grow too. It is a small act of responsibility and patience. Last but not least, 7. Practice gratitude. It is so crucial. Every day, just take 30 seconds to think about what you're thankful for. It rewires your brain to look for good even on the hard days. If any of these speak to you, comment I accept and watch how different your life feels 6 months from now.